it's okay.
Sorry.
It's funny how you get scared from it.
I'm so used to it, but I can't get used to this. I don't know.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Anastasia. How are you guys? Today I am making a balloon garland for gender reveal party for a client. You guys, I will try to take you through all of the process and all of the setup and everything. This girl, she wants something very simple, very elegant, nothing over the top. So I'm using only white balloons in one size with a little bit of greenery. This party will take place outside, so I'm hoping everything will go good and smooth with that balloon garland, and everything I will be using I will list in the description under the video. So if you're interested, go ahead and check it out. Also, you guys, let's just stop talking and let's go make this balloon garland. Here is what we're using for today's balloon garland. This garland is for a client. She's having her baby gender reveal party. She wants this garland to be very simple in white color, one size. So I'm using 12-inch balloons from Walmart. This bag has 72 balloons in one bag. Maybe I would need a little bit more. We'll see. I'll let you know later on. And she wants a little bit of green. I bought this Greenery Hobby Lobby for $3.99, and then they had 50% off, so I paid per stamp. I paid about like $2 or so, and I bought a few of these stamps. This one stamp is way too huge for one spot on the garland, so I am taking my pliers and I'm going to divide one stem into 3 parts. So 1, 2, 3, and maybe these little guys will be left behind, so I'll use them anyways. Yeah, that's about it. I am using my 20-pound fishing line, balloon pump, electric balloon pump, maybe tying tool for balloons. We'll see if I would need to blow some of the balloons individually, and that's about it. I am going to show you as much as I can, so let's go. Alrighty guys, I am ready to blow all of my balloons up. As I said, I'm using just one color, white, and one size. So I am not blowing these balloons in different sizes, maybe a few of them not completely to the 12-inch, and I'm going to tie them individually just to fill in spaces a little bit and make that balloon garland a little bit more like bigger in volume. So let's set aside, I don't know, like 8 balloons maybe to fill in spaces a little bit later. I'm blowing 2 balloons at the same time, and I'm tying them in pairs. So let's go. All right, I am starting this balloon garland with individual balloon. I am taking my fishing line and tying a knot on my balloon. I am putting my first tied balloon on top of my pair right here and kind of pinching them together, taking my fishing line, wrapping around one of the balloons, pull on my fishing line, not too hard, try not to cut your balloons, and kind of pinch my balloons together. Again, around different balloon with fishing line, push and pull. Okay, let's take second pair right on top, right here. Kind of pinching those balloons together, taking my fishing line, wrapping around one of the balloons, push and pull, another balloon, push and pull. Keep constructing your balloon garland this way and you'll be done in no time. Our balloon garland, cut a long tail of your fishing line, hold it with one hand over here, with your other hand take this fishing line tail and wrap around one of the balloons, once, and now you created this loop over here. So take this tail and go through that loop and pull. That way you're tying knots on your balloon garland and securing. Do that a few times to make sure all the balloons going to stay in one place and your balloon garland won't fall apart. As you can see here, I have this straight to the point balloon column. I don't want to see that in my balloon garland, so what I'm doing right now is I am twisting, kind of playing around with balloons, bending here and there, and see, already it looks so much better. It doesn't look too of a balloon column, you know. So try to twist, bend, play around with your balloons, and it looks already so much better. I am fully packed. I have my extra balloons in my trash bag. My full balloon garland fit into my CRV, and you guys, I had to fold, or my husband fold a seat for me to completely fit this balloon garland. And it's starting to rain. You guys, look at this. Do you see the drops? It's starting to rain and the storm is coming our way. I have my apron over here. I have my extra balloons. I have my fishing line. What else do I have? I have my tying tool, glue dots, command hooks. I'm ready to go. We need to drop off the kids, or we're gonna take them with us, or we'll see. Say hello.
Hi.
And Nicole, where are you? Nicole.
Okay, bye.
Yes, so let's make this happen.
That's okay. It's funny how you get scared from it.
I'm so used to it, but I can't get used to this. I don't know.
I'm going to a farm to pick up some peaches and maybe some cherries. Best peach farm over here. Alright, guys, I am done with my balloon garland. I am almost home. I even stopped by at the farm to get some peaches and cherries. Very good favorite fruit of the summer, honestly. Anyways, let me know what you think about this balloon garland. Very simple, classy, nothing too much, but straight to the point, right? So I used my fishing line and my command hooks to place that balloon garland on the wall. I used 1/2 pound command hooks and 20-pound fishing line to loop around my garland and tie a knot, make a loop, and then hook it on that command hook. Like usual, nothing different. Yeah, you guys, it's very humid. A few balloons popped. My mistake, I did pop them, but you guys, I did brought extra balloons. I blew a few more right away to replace the popped balloon, and I used my glue dots to fill in spaces and attach my greenery. Surprisingly, glue dots hold very well that greenery that I placed on that balloon garland. I used more than one, you guys, 2, 3, even 5 glue dots per balloon to make sure, you know, balloon is in place and it's there and it's not going anywhere. So be mindful of that. Grab extra balloons, grab extra glue dots, grab extra everything just in case something happens. It's better be over prepared than not prepared at all. I'm not sure how it's gonna perform because I'm not invited to that event, so I can't really keep you updated. I will try to ask this girl, her name's Gloria. I'll try to ask her how the balloon garland you know, performed throughout the whole thing. The party was at 2, so it's 2:16 now, and yeah, I hope everything goes well. It took me about 40 minutes to place the balloon garland and fill in spaces and put in greenery, so pretty fast. Prepped everything at home, brought it to the place, filled in minimum work at the place. So yeah, you guys, if you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you back very soon. Bye.